short video of the first part of our trip to Discovery Island. Discovery Island is 4 kilometers east from Oak Bay on South Vancouver Island. One of my favorite parts of the trip is going through these islands. They are called chain islands and are part of an ecological reserve, which is home to many types of birds. Today, we are on my Hobie Mirage Tandem Island. On our 18-kilometer trip, we mostly sailed with some pedaling. We had a picnic on Discovery Island Marine Park. After lunch, we sailed around Discovery and Chatham Islands before heading back home. What a fantastic trip!